We're out today in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, just outside of Reading. Now, if you are a classic car enthusiast, you're ever in this neighborhood, make sure you check out the Classic Auto Mall. Now, the Auto Mall used to be a normal shopping mall, but the owners bought it, kept all the storefronts, but filled them with classic cars. One of the best things about it, all these classic cars are for sale. Now, one of the things we promise you on this channel is we're going to show you how to install the parts that you buy from Ecklers.com. So to do that, we need some cars. What better place to go shopping than the Classic Auto Mall? As all car enthusiasts know, one of the most exciting things in this hobby is shopping for a new project car. So what are we shopping for? Well, two of the most popular categories at Ecklers are Tri-5 Chevy and Classic Corvette, so that's what we have our eye on. Now, obviously, when it comes to Corvettes, there's a lot of different cars to choose from, but our focus is going to be on the C3 Corvette. Now, why the C3? Well, they made a lot of C3 Corvettes, and also, not only is this one of the best values in the classic Corvette market, in my opinion, it's one of the best values in the classic car market, period. We need to thank our salesman, Don, for showing us dozens of cars today, but we narrowed it down to 2 cars that we're going to take home. Let me introduce you to our very first Ecklers project car, this 1955 Chevy. So why do we choose this particular car when there's tons to look at? Well, when 55 through 57, I'm a fan of all of those cars, but having grown up with American Graffiti and 2-lane blacktop, the 55 Chevy has always held a special place to me. And look at this thing, the turquoise and white, absolutely beautiful. The car's got a very original look to it, which we absolutely love. Plus, this car was probably restored, I'm going to say, about 25 to 30 years ago. So while it's a really nice car, there's lots of content we can make. Now, I did mention this car looks very original, but somebody did have a little bit of fun here under the hood. The original 6-cylinder or 265 engine, long gone, replaced by a 454 with a 4-speed. And now our second project car for Ecklers, this 1976 Corvette. So why do we pick this particular 1976 Corvette? There's a bunch of reasons. First of all, I like the year. The fact that this is the 50th anniversary of 76 is pretty cool. Also, the last year that it had Stingray on the fenders, I also like. But in my opinion, I think the flat back glass just happens to look better, and I love the style of this car. Plus, the silver color just looks great on the lines of the Stingray. We have to thank the Classic Auto Mall for having a great selection of cars for us to look at and being very, very easy to work with. We couldn't be more excited to get started on these 2 project cars. Soon we'll get them back in our studio. We'll give you guys a close-up of both cars and kind of let you know what we're thinking as far as projects go. But in the meantime, if you have any ideas for our 55 or our 76, please let us know in the comments below.